Hi there, I'm Sage from Double, and today we're going to be covering the beginning stages of your month-end review. If you find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below or reach out to us using the purple widget in the bottom right corner of your Double account. And lastly, check out the description of this video for helpful links and resources covering today's topic. Let's double down. In our last video, we introduced you to the close page, which is a ledger integrated checklist of everything you need to do for your client. It comes pre-built with certain default sections and tasks, and is fully customizable based on your work style. The very first step in beginning your month-end close in Double is to ensure that you're in the correct month by checking the top of your page. And there are two reasons why this is so important. The first is tasks. Many of your tasks in Double are tied directly to a particular closing period so that you can replicate a consistent workflow month over month. And the second reason is transactions. Double pulls 12 months of QBO or zero ledger data into each close page, and if you're looking to review transactions outside of that 12-month window, you need to switch closes, which you can do by clicking into the drop-down menu. For more information on how to run a cleanup, check out the description of this video below. You can work on multiple close periods at once. This could be particularly helpful if you're still waiting for the client to officially close out a particular month, but are ready to begin the newest period. Please note that this update does not affect your ability to complete previous tasks or view outstanding client communications. Additionally, this does not impact your client's access to outstanding questions in the portal. This also means that even if your clients are a bit behind in providing you with information, you or your bookkeepers can still proceed to the next close period without any issues. Double's monthly close page consists of 6 default sections, each with pre-built tasks, and you're welcome to customize these by adding or removing tasks and reports or hiding entire sections altogether. The sections are meant to be chronological, representing a month-end close from start to finish, and are set to roll forward so automatically you have a consistent, repeatable process month over month. Starting with the pre-close, this is the first section, which includes tasks related to kicking off the month-end close, typically tied to information gathering or data entry. You'll see that we've templated one task for you titled Make Sure All Transactions in the Bank Feed are Coded. This is something you can do in either QBO or Zero, or inside of Double itself if you are using our newest AI Bank Feed feature, which is currently only accessible for American QBO clients. An important distinction to make is that for transactional data to be pulled into our reports, which we will cover in more depth later on in the series, you must first ensure that you've posted the bank feed transactions into the ledger. If you'd like to learn more about our new AI Bank Feed feature, which our customers are loving, check out the description below. As I mentioned earlier, you can also add tasks to this section that you would like to repeat on a monthly basis. For instance, tasks that involve data entry, such as coding transactions from the bank feed, posting sales journal entries from the point of sale system, or payroll journal entries. Next, we have the account reconciliation section. This is another step in the process that, for now, needs to happen in QBO or Zero first, but can be tracked and managed in Double. This section will automatically pull in all of your client's bank and credit card accounts. This is simply a checklist where you can keep tabs on where you stand with tying out those accounts, plus any other balance sheet or income statement accounts you might reconcile. If there are accounts in this list that are inactive or don't need to be reconciled, remove them by clicking on them and deleting the task. This won't delete anything in QBO and Zero, just from your list of closing tasks in Double. You can also add any accounts that may be missing, for instance, balance sheet accounts like loan accounts or due to from accounts that Double doesn't automatically include. Additionally, you can reorder the accounts by dragging and dropping them. I strongly encourage you to pause the video now and add and remove any accounts in your client's reconciliation section as needed. I'll be right here when you're done. Now, you may have noticed that for each account, we show you the balance at the end of the month, as well as the last reconciled transaction date. Please note that this date is not necessarily the date that you reconciled the account or the statement's end date. It's a transaction date, reflecting the most recent transaction in the register that has the reconciled status. You can also add a timestamped balance column to display the account balance as of the time you completed the task. This can help you identify accounts whose balances have changed since reconciliation. If the timestamped balance doesn't match the live book balance, well, that means something's changed in the account since you last reconciled it. Lastly, you can click into the task to view the register and investigate. If you're interested in enabling this feature, check out the description in this video. We also recommend attaching any supporting documentation like bank statements or reconciliation reports directly to the task by clicking on the paper emoji on the right-hand side of the task. This will help you stay organized and allow managers to review their team's work without needing to switch back and forth between Double and QBO or Zero. All files stored in Double are easily accessible from the Files area, which can be found at the top of your screen. As of November 2025, we've updated our Chrome extension to provide some additional detailed settings for the account reconciliation section. Click the link below to learn more about some more advanced features within this section. After coding and reconciling, the next step is to start the transaction review, an area in Double that helps you catch and correct coding errors and communicate with your clients. So make sure to check out the next video in the series to learn more. And that's where we're going to call it for today. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below or reach out to us using the purple widget in the bottom right corner of your Double account. And lastly, check out the description of this video for helpful links and resources covering today's topic. See you guys in the next one.